Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. Today we're going to make some more zoodles. This time we're making zoodles with chicken sausage. I think you're going to like it. It goes together pretty quick and it's tasty. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to be cooking like all over. Everything will be done on the counter. That's my little pot, my little cooking thing there. Start of the show, the zoodles. We're going to take 1 tablespoon out of their virgin olive oil and stick it in that pan. Here we have some minced garlic, grated cheese, some lemon juice, some cannellini beans, some diced jalapeno, red pepper flakes. In the very back there is my snow peas. And that there's my chopped up peppers that I got and put in the freezer a long time back. Well, not a long time, but you know. And there's my sliced onion, and here's my chicken that I've been taking care of. So I'm going to show you, I got a piece here. I'm going to finish cutting it up. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so right now I just turned on my little cooking apparatus here. But anyway, I'm going to show you, just cutting up the chicken sausage. I've cooked this earlier today, and we're just going to have little bite-sized pieces to go in this recipe. So we'll keep this off to the side for right now. I don't know if this is going to be a good deal for me to do it like this because it's too crowded on my countertop here, but I'm going to try it anyway. I wanted to try this for a long time. So let's get the hot plate going. Hold on. Okay, I gave you guys a little zoom here on the pan. It's probably not going to see everything, but put my onions in. I got 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in there. I like the olive oil when I'm making these zoodle things. It seems to give it a nicer flavor than the avocado. I think the avocado don't have anything, no flavor, you know. Anyway, that's 1 sweet onion down for the count. And right now I got this on like a medium heat. Probably could have let it get a little hotter, but it's doing its thing. So anyway, this recipe, if you guys don't have chicken sausage, I mean, you can buy some, but if you don't have any, you can just take regular chicken, boil it up, and slice and dice it. You can cube it, you can shred it, you do whatever you like. You can have a rotisserie chicken. But, you know, I just happen to have my homemade chicken sausage that was really good. It was over the top. Everybody that had some liked it. So sorry for you guys that weren't around, but I dang sure would have shared it with you if you was here. Take this baby out of there. It's got that yellow part of the core that doesn't want to break up. Here's the other piece right there, see? That's what happens when you're slicing and dicing and you're not paying attention to nothing but the slicing and dicing. You know, you don't look for the core. I usually cut it out, but didn't do it this time. On this one I cut half moons in the onions. So now when you're cooking this, you don't want to get the zoodles, you don't want to get them real mushy, okay? You just want to cook them like right now. I don't know if you noticed, but like always, I have I'll show it to you before I put it in the pan, but I have a strainer that they're sitting in, and below the strainer I got a little saucepan, a little bowl, whatever. I put some salt on, sprinkled it on top of the zoodles, and I mixed it around, and that helps pull the moisture out because, you know, you don't want it too wet. Man, these onions smell good. Huh? Get this done a little bit more here, and then we'll throw some garlic in there. But anyway, this is it's got a fair amount of liquid come off of there. But yeah, it's I did those zoodles earlier today, and they've been sitting in there for about an hour, I guess, maybe a little less. All right. So we got the onions. They're pretty soft right now. So what we're going to do, once this really starts heating up, we're going to probably be flying through here. It's about a tablespoon of garlic. I like garlic. You can do whatever you want. You don't want to put a tablespoon. You don't have to put a tablespoon. You can do whatever you like. And then what I like to do when I'm cooking and I want to add pepper flakes, I usually put it in with the garlic and the onions, and that's a couple shakes. It's not many in there, trust me. I don't want to make it too hot because then I won't even enjoy it. But I just like the flavor. Same thing with these, I put the diced jalapenos in there. It's just good flavor. It's not hot. I'm not trying to do it for the heat factor. I'm doing it for the, a little bit of heat is okay, but like the jalapenos, like we get them this Mount Olive, this is not, it's not hot, it's not a nice flavor. And that's all I'm looking for is flavor. Sizzle sells, but flavor does too. So, you don't want to make it taste nasty. No one's going to want to eat it, right? Okay, so now you can smell the garlic, and we don't want to burn nothing, so we're going to throw in some Mount Olive jalapenos now, real quick. And then we'll follow that up with the diced, it's not even a teaspoon really. I'm going to get a little more. Still not a teaspoon. But anyway, it's okay. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to toss in our peppers. Stir that around. I like this. This is for the color. I love it. And plus, you get a little taste of the bell pepper, but it's not overbearing, so. And then we're going to, next we'll be adding our beans. Let those get heated up. Just trying to heat everything through at this point. You don't want to burn it, but we don't want it, cold. So, just trying to heat stuff up. So, we'll take about half of this can of beans. I don't know if you guys noticed, I like the cannellini beans. It's they're good. They add flavor to the dish, but they also help, give it a little bulk, and it's good for you. It's protein. And a lot of people they don't want to eat. They're vegetarians or they're trying to eat a nice, healthy meal. You don't want to put really. You can take some beans. Beans is always good. Takes a place of the meat. Got protein. I got to bring back some more lentils. I was gonna make some lentils with this today, but I didn't think about it soon enough, so I didn't cook them. But anyway, let me give you guys a bird's eye view here of what we got so far. Very pretty looking dish. I don't know if you care if it's pretty or not, but it is. Okay, so as you can see, there it is. It's looking pretty damn good, huh? All right, so we stir this around a little bit. And see, that's just the moisture from the onions and the, Jesus, this smells good. The peppers and the onions, that's what all this juice is from. Not a lot of juice in there, but that's what's keeping it a little wet, so this is going to be a top of the line dish. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting in some snow peas, not too many. I had these in the refrigerator. I want to use them. I don't want them to go, to the wayside. So I like snow peas. All right, I'll save this for something else. Okay, so while that's in there, getting all fat and happy, huh? It's going to be a good-looking plate when we get done with this. Yep. Yeah, baby. This is, who used to say it? Emerald Real Cooking Show or whatever? I don't know. It was a couple times up, but, thanks to modern technology, you put a pan in the oven and take one out. So, but anyway. I used to like watching them many years ago. And he seemed to disappear. He fell off the earth, him and his bam. Remember, everything was bam, bam. I'm not allowed to say that, I guess. I don't know. I'm not trying to sell nothing, so I ain't hurting nobody's feelings. Okay. So now we're going to add in the sausage. Okay. And we're going to cook that about a few minutes. And then we'll add in the star of the show, the zucchini zoodles. You know, you want to just basically heat everything through at this stage, but I don't want to overdo the zucchini noodles. And I did say I wanted to show you guys what this looks like, so here you go. See all the juice in there? And I just sprinkled a little bit of salt on top of here. There's still moisture in there, but, you know, you could take a paper towel if you really want to go crazy and get some more moisture out, but see what I mean? It's still wet. But I'm not worried about it. Okay. Okay, so like I told you, this is really not going to be that long of a dish here. Things are starting to warm up, so now we're going to throw in our zoodles, zoodles of noodles, zoodles, zoodles and zoodles and zoodles. Yeah, it reminded me of that, but not zoodles, it's Zuzu's Petals, remember? And Jimmy Stewart movie of, what was it, A Great Life or whatever it was called? Christmas movie. It's a Wonderful Life, yeah, there it is. All right, so now the star of the show has hit the pot. And here we go. This is going to be, it's going to be delicious, I'll tell you right now, huh? There you go, guys. Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Woo! See, look at them zoodles. All right. I'm just going to give this a little sprinkle of some, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, the shredded kind. And then we'll give a shot of lemon juice here. I love that smell. Yeah, Robert Duvall. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Huh? He's an old actor, but I think he's still moving. She's still acting, I think. Him and Robert De Niro and all the old guys. Dustin Hoffman, Al Pacino. I haven't seen too much of Harvey Keitel, though. Anyway, it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm going to give this a little taste. See if it's hot all the way through. And then we'll be done. This is a quick dish, I told y'all. These zoodles, see, we got to watch these. Some of them are really, really long, like this one here. I'm getting there. Zoodles is still a little chilly. You're going to love this dish. Oh, boy. Okay, my friends, there we have it. I'm going to give you an overshot. Here, hold on. There you have our overview of our zoodles with chicken sausage. Thing looks beautiful, don't it? It smells great. All right, we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, we're at the taste test table. Camera girl, the mutt, and Elmo. So, I like to put a little sprinkle of my grated cheese on here. That's a little flavor. This, I've already cheated. I taste it already. This thing's over the top good. Who'd have thunk it? Almost all vegetables, huh? Okay. That's the snow pea with the crunch. I love those. me see how much of the zucchini I can get up on here. That's some long zucchinis today when I get them, see? Whatever. Still a little firm like I like them. Chicken sausage. Oh. And the hint of the cannellini bean, that was, And every so often you get a little bite of the jalapeno. Very good, very nice dish, went together pretty quick. Like I said, if you guys don't have chicken sausage, I mean, you can buy some in the store, but you can take, if you have a leftover rotisserie chicken or something like that, or just leftover chicken, or you can boil some up, and then you just slice it and dice it. You can chunk it up, you can shred it, do whatever you like. But this here is another over the top. I'm loving it now. Okay, so let's get back to our COVID practice here. Everybody, when you're out and about, cover your snout. Okay, so we got that out of the way. All right, wash your hands. Okay, don't talk with your mouth full unless it's this delicious zucchini dish we have here. Then you're allowed. Hit the like button, share button, and if you haven't yet subscribed or hit the notification bell yet, please do so. And for now, we're out until next recipe, and you guys stay hungry. And when you are, you come back and we'll give you another one, okay? Thanks for watching.